So if someone's refused to help us, I think it's important to accept and respect their decision. Okay, mahirap kasi yung i-insist natin yung gusto natin tapos hindi nila tayo matulungan kasi sila din is meron ding mga needs. So I think we have to understand and just move on. And so of course, we have to evaluate their reasons bakit sila nag-refuse. Pero we have to look for another options. Maybe instead na magalit tayo or magkaroon tayo ng resentment sa kanila. Yan yung importante, no? Kasi importante talaga yung respect. I mean, hindi talaga lahat makaka-help sa atin. So, gawa agad tayo ng other option or paraan kung paano natin masolusyonan or saan tayo pwedeng humingi ng tulong. Kaya kailangan understanding and yun, pangunawa talaga and move on.